I just got back from Euroslide with Jan and the guys, and it was really fun. But I got back, I had a big ass package at my front door, and a lot of fiberglass parts arrived from Amway. Most hyped about my hood for the coupe, which looks really good. Quality looks amazing too. Right now I'm just unpacking the things. I think we have, yeah, this one part of the lip kit right here for E36. This one is also going on my coupe. Quality looks amazing actually, really nice. Yeah, so let's keep unpacking. We have a lot of boxes right here. It's getting exciting now. We have a box with over fenders. These are the rear over fenders that are going on my coupe. And then we have a bunch of lips here. So let's check out what we have there. So this is actually a replacement for my red E36 since I crashed it and completely ruined the front lip. So I just ordered one of these to put on there as well. So that one is gonna make a comeback sometime soon as well. Very nice. Right, and here we have finally the E46 front lips. We have like 5 of those, which is very cool. I like that one a lot. I kind of missed the car I sold. And then we also have the E36 fat lip, like the big one, not the small front lip. We have a couple of those. And then we have my over fenders for the drifter, and these are actually 60 mil over fenders, so they're really big. Really excited for these. Probably gonna cut out this and make like some holes here, make it look nicer. And we have another rear and front lip, and then we have more side skirts. So we have, I think, 2 or 3 complete body kits, and then just front lips and stuff like that. First, let me go put these on because I've been waiting on this for a really long time. Been so excited. I actually started to paint the coupe. It's getting some primer right now. Yeah, this is gonna be mad. I don't think I'm gonna have problems fitting the VSKFs on here, the 18s. Such a fucking mess here. But over fenders, I do have a small problem. And that is that if we put the over fender on, it's gonna go something like this. And now you see how much space we have. Of course, these are just 17s and it's not fully lowered yet, but I want to be tucking the wheel, which means I'm gonna need a lot of space up here. But as you can see, this is only cut out a bit, so I'm gonna have to cut out like almost to here to be able to tuck the 18s flush with this fender. As you can see, it's not really a lot higher. First of all, I have to get this car running so I can move it out the way. Then I have to part out this one, get the Volvo out of here so I can finish this, because my hubs are coming soon, the wheels are coming soon, the parts are here, so I'm gonna start putting them on and then painting the car. So I'm saying 3 weeks. In 3 weeks the car will be pretty much done, and then from then on it will just be like small changes and small details to make it look nicer. But mechanically it will be done in 3 weeks. We're back, and today I want to mount the front fenders. So I'm just gonna cut out a little more, just so I have way more than enough space, so I'll never rub. So I'm just gonna like cut out to about here. Yeah. like this, we shouldn't have any problem with rubbing. It's like more than enough space. So it doesn't look nice, but it doesn't have to. Maybe I'll have to bash in this part a bit, but I think like this. Over fender. Yeah, it's gonna be more than enough space to tuck nicely. I tried beating out the fender, but it's not gonna be enough space because I want to tuck like the lip for sure, which means I need like about 8 to 10 centimeters of space like up here, and that's like almost to this body line, which is right here. So I'm gonna need to cut almost all the way and then kind of figure out how I'm gonna like fill the hole there, because I can't bend the inner one up. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut and then see. The outer and the inner fender are not connected anymore. I just cut it up so it's disconnected. And now I think I'm just gonna cut like the outer, cut it off completely, and then just fold the inner up in stripes. Like that I can close it all up so I don't get any rubber or dirt inside of the fenders or even into the trunk. So I'm just gonna cut the outer off. I think that's the best move. Now it's like the same height everywhere, which means like I can't even go lower than this. And that should be more than enough space. After a lot of cutting, we maxed out the fitment possibilities. It is now flush with the inner, with the rest of the wheel well. So lower is not possible. So I'm gonna have to get a friend to weld it up so we don't get any rubber or anything else inside. We're gonna put on the over fenders. So I bought this riv nut tool with threads, so I can put in threads into the body. And I bought like 100 riv nuts and these special screws that have like around the top, so we can make them flush to the body and then they won't be, you won't see them as well. So let's start drilling and mounting these over fenders. I want to do 4, so 1 here and 1 here, 1 here and 1 here, and then maybe I'll just like glue the rest or whatever. But like that it's not, because I don't like when the screws are sticking out and there's a whole lot of screws. And since I don't have to go into inspection, like it doesn't really matter, it just has to stay in place. We just held it up and drilled through, but not completely through the metal. But now we know where to drill in the metal, and then we can put in the rivets. Rivet! Very good. Very good. Very good. With this, we can kind of open up the hole here in the fiberglass. Hey, yo. And with that, we can make this flush. Because now, that looks like shit. And I want it flush. That looks a lot better already. I think we can do a bit more. I would say that's perfect. Nice and flush. So we have now mounted it with 4 screws, and it seems solid. The only thing I would do is put some siliconator between this, because now we kind of like that sound of it moving a bit. So if I put like some glue in there just to kind of absorb the vibrations, then 4 is enough, because it looks a lot better with 4, I think. Otherwise you have all these screws like this. It's like as minimalistic as possible. And if I paint it all black, the screws black, it's not gonna be really visible. And the quality of Amway is really good. Like, I'm surprised, because look at the fitment here. Like, it's pretty much perfect all around. And also it's not as wavy as most fiberglass parts. Like, usually you have a lot of waves in it, but the quality is amazing.
We love Poland.
Shout out Poland. Alright, so we have 4 in the front, 4 in the back, and you hear that little noise. So I think I'm just gonna put in glue in the end, so it kind of absorbs the vibration. But maybe I'm gonna have to put one here. But other than that, I mean, I think 4 is enough. Looks way better than having like 10 up here. So next, the hood. Kind of has like the positions of where the latches and everything go, but we're gonna have to put some rivets in here as well. So because I don't want like the hood latches that most drifters have, because they look pretty stupid. I want to make it look nice.
Swaggy.
Swag. These bigger rivets, M6, which is what the stock hood uses. So we're gonna put a rivet into the hood so we can mount it onto the stock latches, and then we have to do the same for the front, so we can actually latch in the hood, so it's all gonna be like stock, so we don't have to put some stupid latches outside of the hood. Uh-oh. Oh, this is so sketchy.